shops do you have across Latin America?
No, we have mainly Bogota. Mainly Bogota.
Mainly.
Yeah. We have 6 locations. We have a coffee roastery in Bogota. Locations. How many here are Italian?
Oh, sorry.
Museum visit after which you're gonna have a tasting. So I don't know if the company in 1927. This was after they had been employed to build one of the first coffee machines. So I will need you to explore for about 10-15.
Coffee of all things. A plant I've never even seen. People think I'm crazy. Maybe I am. But I couldn't see any other options. Because it's what needs to be done. There's too much hunger here. Too much poverty. The landowners bleed us dry. And farming doesn't. We're off to Brazil. We're off to grow coffee.
The leaves can be used for tea. They don't use the whole plant. It's a little bit like buying a Ferrari and parking it in your driveway instead of parking it in your garage. If you're parking it in your driveway, you want people to know that you have a Ferrari as part of your identity. But take your time. Okay, alright, take a photo on the running board.
Hi everyone, I'm Marco. Nice to meet all of you. I am the Academia Coffee coordinator. Basically, I'm taking care of all the coffee events as well as coffee tastings and courses as well. So, actually, what I like to, what I want to be focused on